Hello everyone, I am back with another devlog and this time I am working on a game jam. I'm not working, I am actually participating in a game jam and this is the game I am working on. The game is quite, I am motivated or inspired from the Vice City, I think. No, not Vice City, actually open world games. Open world game can be anything. So here you can see if I go to the scene view, I am actually creating maps here. It's day 2 of the devlog. It's a total 5-day devlog thing. So in these 2 days, I have developed the weapon system for traffic generation, the character, the animation for the character, the police, and yeah, the pedestrian also. I can show you. Yes, the pedestrian. They will follow the weapons. It's only one. When we'll play, there will be randomly generated more characters. And so far, there's another thing I have developed in so far, that is the mission control protocol. If I run the game, okay, the player can enter the mission. So far I have not configured the mission system yet, or the story is not completely, my story is built up but not so polished. Let's see, I am running the game. Okay, one thing I want to mention is in this devlog I will not share any coding process as I have done it already, or you can see the working environment here. I'll show you the code how I am doing it. Okay, you can see the player can move, the player can run, and player can jump. Okay, I want to show you the jump animation or the animation thing first. Let's see here in the animator. Okay, let's pick our player component first. Okay, I want to show the animation because the animation thing is quite tricky when you need to design a third-person controller, as it need to follow some of the idle animation, some of the character movement, or some of the jump animation also. Besides the action, if there is any action combined, the animation gets so much congested or difficult. You can see I have set quite 4 or 5 types of idle animation. The character movement, I have used Blendry to perform the character movement here. In this Blendry there are 2 animations so far, walk and run. I have not set anything else in here like crouch or anything, as it's a game jam I cannot do so much thing. In the action animation, action animate, there are so far 4 types of animation like idle, walk, run, and gunplay, to match the character movement obviously. And these arrows actually indicate the conditions. As you can see, there are different conditions here. You have to generate your own condition how you want to proceed. Here I cannot say anything, or there is nothing like convention here. And as I have told about the jump, you have to set the jump in any step thing, or I mean, this is something the most easy way. Okay, what I am doing in the script, I will show you now. In the script you can see here, it is a player controller script. I have initiated the player controller with the character controller thing, the animator thing, and below you can see this is quite similar to the default Unity manual character controller thing, but what I am modifying is that there you will see the grounding thing, how the player is grounded. I am checking with physics check sphere, and in here the jump thing I am checking with jump rest, and I have given a jump rest time actually, so that sometime the player might need to jump faster. So yep, the jump rest time will work better. And uh, there you can see, okay, this is the interesting part. My camera is based on the Cinemachine virtual camera. So Cinemachine virtual camera actually can rotate your gameplay player also. As this is a shooting mechanics game, I have to rotate the player based on camera direction. Or if I were not to rotate the player based on camera direction, I would have just decomment this and comment this. And below there is nothing interesting. These are all our animation thing. And I one thing I have implemented new here, like you have seen the traffic system here in the game. The traffic system is based on the three codes actually. This one, pedestrian navigation controller, it controls the navigation of the pedestrian. The waypoint actually are this come to the Unity editor. Okay, Here in the Unity editor, you can see some right. You can see these things. These are actual waypoints, the point that the character follows. And we go to the code again. In the code, there's another thing, which is pedestrian spawner. This spawns multiple pedestrians actually. So if we were to just manually spawn some of the pedestrian, it would have been a lot of work. Just think, there are 20 blocks, and if we just make 5 pedestrian for each block, we have to make hundreds of this. So we cannot do this, we have to do this through code. So I have written a code that will automate the spawn thing for the pedestrian, and also with the automation it will say place them to the actual positions actually. uh, this is so far devlog. I'm just restarting. I'm not so good at it. I don't know how it works, but I'm trying. Thank you. I forgot to say some of the key features I have added to this. As you can see, these circle points, these are actually reflection probes. The reflection probe helps to better catch the light, or maybe better reflect the surface, the the lighting thing actually. And here you can see, I want to show you something. Let's go to the game view. You can see the minimap here. Okay, I have adjusted the minimap, and well, okay, let's play the thing, and I will show you the large map also. The large map is currently hidden, and it will show when we press the M button. Let the editor play the game and start the game, whatever. Okay, we have entered into the play mode. The objects are generating, and now if I press the M button, okay, here is the large map. If I press the M button again, the large map will be closed. Yeah, and the small map, or whatever you say, the small map or the large map, whatever you say, it will actually follow the player. So wherever the player goes, it will show it. And one thing you have to see that if you focus on the small map, there is a character B, which is at top of the mission control actually. So how it is working is that the render texture is not rendering, or the camera actually rendering not my main camera is not actually not rendering that minimap icons. The minimap icon camera is only rendering those minimap icons. You can search on YouTube and get a lot of tutorials about this. And one thing you have seen, right, the mission waypoint marker. I have added this mission waypoint marker to better understand for the player, those, so that they understand how to find the position of the mission. I will add a marker for this position at the map later, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I have to do a lot of work yet. The deadline is 27 December, and it's so tough work. I think it was a really tough decision to decide that I will make a free form game like this for a game jam. But yeah, what I'm doing is I'm trying so hard so that I can make an impact, and it goes good. Yep, the mission point is here. Later some pointer will be added here. Nice. Okay, I am coming out from the play mode. I think this is so far, and I will share the rest of the devlog day by day, and maybe some feature will be missing, maybe some of the thing. I will share the GitHub link. You can see my in the readme that I have written detailed things in my readme, so that if I see the readme after 1 year, I can see, look, I have done this thing every day. I think this is a good practice. Okay, thank you.